Hey there everyone, I'm back. It took me a little bit longer than I thought. Here is, if you want to call it, our next victim. It is a 10-horse Tecumseh. I bought this engine, to give you a little story on it, off of eBay from a guy in Kitchener, Ontario. He delivered it for me. So also it saved me on shipping big time. I bought it originally as a replacement engine for a tractor I had. It was a Craftsman LT 108. Because the engine that was in it was pretty much blown. It still ran, it smoked, it burned a lot of oil. So I bought this one. It was a good block when I first bought it. But I originally had it after the LT 108 died on that Yardworks cart lawnmower. Before I put the industrial commercial on it, but it gave me nothing but problems. So I ended up taking it off and I put the one that's on there now on there. So this one here, I'd like to use it for a generator. So it's it's not primed. It has gas via this little tank right here. That does not have a cap. The cap's actually on this can right here. I did not put any cheater spray in it. The little battery I was going to use does not have enough oomph to go, so I have it hooked up to the battery I use for my car stereo. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it will have enough power. So here it goes, nothing. Yeah, it's going to be very loud. It's warning you right now. Just the throttle here. I added a throttle cable. I think that's low right there. It sounded like it's pretty high when it first kicked. Let's try it again. Not enough. As you can hear, it wants to go. Take the choke off of it. See if I can hold it here while it fires. And darn starter gear. Reach in there, slide the starter back. I should have slid it loose. Yep. Oh no, starter. It's actually the starter that was originally on the LT 108. I think this is the one. Or no, sorry, this is its original starter. There we go. Really noisy starter. Give it full choke. Give it some gas. I did already check for oil. As you can hear, she's loud. And the base it's on doesn't really help for cold starts. I wish I had a muffler to go on that end. It's trying. Just throttle again. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. It's trying. It's firing. She's shooting some gas out of the exhaust, it looks like. Never really good. So I think the valves are stuck open. Let's try adjusting this once more. So far the fuel line's leaking a little bit too. Let's try this again. Hopefully it won't catch fire. Open the choke up. It's farting just. That fuel line too much, so I'll slide it back towards my cabinet a bit. Oh, it's putting. Give it a bit of choke. Try a couple more times. See if I can get it to run and idle. It's hard with one hand, but I've got my tripod. See how much gas we got. We got enough getting to it. Okay, it sounds like it's idling too low. Because when it fired, it says put, put, put. Let's give it a bit more gas. See if she'll idle. I do got no way of shutting it off, so if it does run again, it's gotta let it go until it dies. Let's try that again. Okay, so release the choke right there. Next time I do this, I'm definitely going to hook up a solenoid and a connection to it. There we go. Let's give it some more gas. Might idle then. That's good enough. Like you could hear, it's really, really loud. This has an open exhaust right now. Get the positive unhooked. Unhook it from my battery over here. Whew. A little on the smoky side here. Okay. And like I said, our next contender will be the water pump. But I'm going to do a different video for that. So stay tuned. Hopefully some of this smoke in the air will clear. And this is Redneck Brian signing off for about another 5 minutes, I hope. See you in a bit. Bye.